Hi, this is Jennifer, and I'm going to be sharing the student side of the Flipgrid. Okay, once your students get to flipgrid.com, it might be easier to create a favorite so that they can go directly there. They can click in their Flipgrid code that is on display and immediately access the Flipgrid that you would like them to do. The information appears in the top and it gives them the directions of what they need to accomplish, and this is a class intro. To create the video, you click the green plus sign. The window opens so that you actually see yourself. You kind of know it's ready to go. You need a flash player in order for this to work. It gives you the directions next to it, so that way you know that if your students need a reminder, then it's right there. You click the video and it's ready to go and recording. You can make a little introduction, say a little bit about yourself, share some ideas and things about yourself for 15 seconds, and then as soon as it's finished, it will automatically and it's replay. If you don't like it, you can trash it. If you do, then you click the green arrow. This part, you make a selfie, and your selfie appears on your class grid. So here I am. You can then draw on your selfie and add things to your selfie to kind of dress it up and make it your own, and then that's pretty fun to do. If you don't like it, you can undo it or add something else. Once you like it, then you click the next button. It uploads. Here you put your first name, last name. You have an email address option and a title option. And then you just click the Submit My Video. And that is Flipgrid. If you have any questions, then feel free to contact me on the Stony Brook email site. Thank you very much.